Welcome back to Explore Electronics YouTube channel and also to the new series on programming in C. This subject is a part of first year engineering curriculum under VTU and it's one of the most important foundations for your entire programming journey. In this video, we will take a quick overview of what you will be learning throughout this subject and what skills you will gain by end of it. Let us start. The subject name is Programming in C and the course code is 1BEIT 105 bar 205 and the total marks allotted for this subject is 100. It is divided into two, that is 50 marks for CIE, that is continuous internal evaluation. It includes internal assessment marks plus activity points. And SEE, that is semester end examination, it's for 50 marks. The total exam hours is 3 hours and the total grades for this subject is 3. Examination type is theory. For this subject, the recommended textbooks are see the complete reference and the second one is a structured programming approach in C. Now, let us understand what all the concepts included in each module one by one. In Module 1, it is divided into three chapters, that is Introduction to Computing, Overview of C, and Expression. Before actually going to the overview of C, the core concepts, they have given included Introduction to Computing concept. Here you will learn about what all the computer languages and how we will create the program and how we will execute it and what all the process included in between these two actions and the system development. The next chapter is overview of C and you will learn all the basic history, evaluation and about the compilers, interpreters, all about these concepts here in this chapter. And the next chapter is expressions and you will learn about the data types, variables and how we will going to initialize it and declare it in a program. And in second module, again it is divided into two subchapters, that is console IO, that is console input output, and the second chapter is statements. In module 3, again it is divided into two subchapters, arrays and strings and pointers. You'll learn about one-dimensional array, two-dimensional array, declaration, initialization in this chapter and pointers. Here you will learn only the fundamental like ABCD, basic concepts of pointers here, but the continuation of pointers concept is kept in module 4 as a chapter 4 because you can see the word here like pointers to the functions and C's dynamic allocation functions. Before understanding these two concepts, you should be having a basic understanding of function concept. So they have kept in second chapter and the first chapter of module 4 is functions. You learn all the basic fundamental concepts of first functions here. Then you learn continued version of pointer concepts as a second chapter here. And in module 5, only one chapter is given, that is structures, union, enumeration, and type definition. The total hours is 8 hours per module. There are totally 5 modules in this subject. By end of the subject, you will be able to write small but complete programs on your own. You will understand how computers execute instructions, how memory is managed, and how to solve problems logically. These skills are essential not just for exams but also for your future programming subjects and technical projects. That's the overview of programming in C subject. In the next videos, we will go through each unit one by one, clearly and simply, so that every concept becomes easy to understand. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to stay updated. Drop your questions or topic requests in the comments below. Keep learning, keep coding, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.